understand just how I feel. For I heard you call her darling Kathy. So don't try to tell me Kathy isn't real. If Kathy isn't real, who were you holding? Not a vision, or she didn't disappear. And I know she wasn't something I was dreaming. Oh, don't try to tell me Kathy isn't real. No, don't try to tell me Kathy isn't real.